Hi, my name is Miss Crystal. I'm here to teach you about the initiative in the referendum of the Arizona Constitution. Citizens Initiative is a created or amended law that is introduced by citizens and voted on. A referendum is a law created or altered by legislatures where citizens have the right to veto through a ballot. Next, I'm going to explain initiative and referendum and how they are created. Initiatives are created by the people and have to survive two separate stages to be successful. The first one is the petition stage. That means that the people have to get enough registered voters' signatures 4 months before election to become a measure on the ballot. And the ballot stage, where registered voters will vote for the measure to become part of the Constitution. The proposed amendment can only embrace one subject per petition. A referendum is created by getting enough signatures 4 months prior to election day from registered voters for the measure to go onto the ballot for the people of the state to veto the measure that was placed in the Constitution by the legislatures. For the measure to have been passed in the first place, it had to be approved by a majority of voters in the House and Senates. Comparing and contrasting an initiative and a referendum. An initiative does not have to be typed or ungrammatical and does not get government legal or editor assistance. A referendum has to go through a committee review process, which creates fewer flaws in laws going into the Constitution through the legislation. For initiative to complete a successful petition, the citizen needs to get at least 15% of all Arizona voters to sign the petition. Many of these do not get enough signatures, which show that a vast majority of state laws are passed by referendum. Legislatures' amendments success rates is higher than the initiative process. Initiative, the people, create or amend laws for the ballot, and referendum, the people, vote laws passed by legislature. The pros and cons of each. Most successful initiative campaigns are fulfilled by paid circulators, which could pose an issue due to fraud because the circulator is paid by the number of signatures they collect. So many times they have signatures that are fake or from non-registered citizens. A successful initiative campaign and ballot passed the Voters Protection Act, which means the governor cannot veto or repeal any measure approved by voters, but can modify it if it furthers the purpose of the measure and 3/4 of members from both House and Senates agree. This makes it hard for the legislature to fix small glitches in the law. Referendums are good because they give voters the right to veto laws passed by the government. Now I'm going to explain how initiatives and referendums support the idea of direct democracy as outlined in the Arizona Constitution. Direct democracy has been part of the Arizona Constitution from day one. This creates a constitution that is ruled by the people. Initiative and referendums support the idea of direct democracy because although Although an initiative is formed by the people and referendums is formed by the legislatures and can be vetoed by voters, they both have to go on a ballot and be voted on by the people. This creates a constitution that is ruled by the people, as they have the ability to individually vote on all laws due to being placed on the ballot. Thank you.